Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to top up your card via the Smart Club Cloud site. So you're going to want to head over to your email where you'll have received two emails that could also be located in your spam. From there you're going to want to head over to the Bishopstown Lawn Tennis Club site and click Smart Club. Then you're going to want to head back over to your email and click the first of the two emails where you have to copy the username provided for you. Then you're going to want to go over to the Smart Club Cloud site again and paste that username into the username section. Go back over to the email and go to the second email and copy the temporary password. Then you're going to want to go back over to the Smart Club Cloud site and paste the password into the password and login. From there you're going to want to go back to your email and copy and paste the temporary password again. Paste it into the password from email section. Then you're going to want to select a password that you are going to remember. It has to be 8 to 20 digits long. Then you're going to have to repeat that password and click set password. Then you're going to want to go into top up, select lights in the purse, type in the amount you want to top up by, click process top up, yes. Then type in your payment details and click submit payment.